Hello folks, today I'm going to show you a quick way to replace your PCV valve if your GM vehicle is burning a lot of oil, or you have rough idling, or any vacuum leak. Maybe one of those PCV valve hoses cracked, or the PCV valve itself. So let me show you. It doesn't really require a trip to the mechanic. Very simple and straightforward. So for example, this GM engine V6, this is the front PCV valve. I think they run for about $15 and $17. So this is the front right here. You kind of like take this hose out, and then you kind of lift this with a little bit force with a screwdriver in between, and then you take it out. But this one never need to be replaced because it doesn't really have any valve in it. It's just like open wide, kind of like elbow. But if it's cracked, then you will definitely need to replace it. Also, if this line cracked, you will also need to replace it. And then we're gonna talk about the rear PCV valve. This is what causing all the issues, and as you see, it's about 18 bucks, and then it's very easy to replace. I'm going to show you in a second. All you need is this long plier, and then I'm going to use it to point. So this hose here coming from your intake, and then going down to the PCV valve right there. So all you need to do is you take the first you remove the hose. There is a little clip, if you can see it. Let me just zoom in. So there is a little clip on the side. I'll show you when I take it out. So you just move the clip and then lift up. That's all you need to do right there. Set this hose aside for a moment, and then this is your PCV valve. What you want to do is you grab it with a plier, alright, with this long plier, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, a few times, and then start applying some force to lift it up. Let me just get it underneath it. Yes, I'm doing it with one hand. So try to lift it up. There you go. So we got it out, and let me show you. This guy is not too bad, but it could be clogged because I see oil all over the hose tip. So I would say never try to drill a hole in it like some folks suggest. Either you clean it with a piece of wire, or with a pressure, with like a parts cleaner with a pressure spray, or you replace it. It's not that expensive. Pretty cheap, and the way you put it in, it just push it in with your hand, and then clip on that hose right there. Let me try to show you the hose. There you go, that's the hose. All right, I hope you guys like this video. I will see you next time.